Today, I want to show you more about how to utilize future activities to pre plan and basically get a little bit better on proactively utilizing My Customers to your benefit, right? So, you can do this from the mobile app, you can do this from the web app, doesn't matter which. I'll be showing you how to use it on the web app today to check out the different options with setting up future activities. Go anywhere that you would create an activity. This could be from the universal add button in the top right. This could be from an individual record. Just double click to open it, and you can add an activity from anywhere on the actual page. You can do it from the record view here on the tab. You can even do it from from one of these quick actions up here as well. So just by way of example, we'll click on it from the tab view here. We can see the activity, right? So the option I want to focus in on is the fact that if you set up a future activity um, here by like choosing a future time and date, you can choose activities in 5 minute increments. You can choose an end date if you want one as well for it. Doesn't have to have an end date, but a lot of times it maps back to your calendar. It's helpful to have that so that it blocks off the right amount of time on your schedule. If you click more options, you'll see, do you want to make this an all day activity? Do you want to make this repeating in a recurring fashion, like every month, every day, or even a custom time frame? You can set this up to be, an activity that repeats at any almost interval you can think of, right? So for our sake, we're not going to make it repeating. Another option I want to pull to your attention is at the bottom here, we can see this notify me via section, right? So this is very helpful if you're someone who utilizes notifications a lot. You can get an email, you can get a push message on your mobile phone, you can get both if you want to at a certain interval before the actual activity is due, right? So we can do one for, for 1 hour before right here. So if we were to create this, this activity specifically would be notifying us an hour ahead of time before it gets before it's due, and it would be something that ultimately will show up on our smart planner as well if we're utilizing smart planner. That would be there on our planner, and that is about all there is to it.